Hey everybody, if you want to recover an Instagram suspended account, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. You can start by opening up Instagram, and if you have gotten the notification, you can look out for the option to disagree with the decision or appeal the ban from the given option that appears on your screen when you first open it. Or if not that, then you can just go ahead and visit the Instagram Help Center to submit the appeal. So for that, once you open up your Instagram, you can look out for your profile in the bottom right corner and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you should be able to access your profile here. From here, you can just go over and go to the Help Center. Look out for the menu icon in the top right corner and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you may just scroll to the given options and scroll until you reach over to the section called More Infos and Support. After you find it up, you can just go ahead and tap on Help and go to the Help Center, and you can select the option for Appeal Form. So you can either go to report a problem account status or anything. So let's set up an account status for that. And once you reach over here, you can just go over and look out for one of the things. So let's say this is the one. After that, you can go over and go to your main browsing page from here if available, into transparency.meta.com. From here, if you can't find it, you can head over to the directly to help.instagram.com. So you can go over and open up one of the browsers and go to their page. Like this right here, you can go to help.instagram.com and here look out for the form. If you find the form right here, you can just go over and fill out the form by providing in your details to them. After that, once you provide in the details, you can just go ahead and provide them with the possible username, email, or phone number associated with the account, attach supporting documents like business registrations or brand partnership communications to prove your account's authenticity. And after submitting it every morning and at night, you should probably get some response with Instagram itself. And that way, you can just go over and recover your suspended account on your Instagram. And that's it. So you can just go ahead and follow up the process if you want to recover your suspended account from Instagram. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.